Hi, I'm your Dr. K.P. Sharma, Professor of English and Soft Skills. We have been discussing about group discussion related do's and don'ts. Do's are over, now don'ts. What are the qualities that we should not have in group discussion? By the time you are going to participate in group discussion, these are the qualities you should not have. This is an integral part of soft skills. Let's have a look. Here, it is a must that you should not have any kind of argumentative nature. Yes, argumentative nature must not be there. You should have friendly nature in place of it. And here, by the time we are going to talk to others, we must not hurt others. In the sense, don't hurt others. Yes, it is not stated to be good. Here, never point out like this with the finger. What? You don't do anything. In such a way, we should not speak. We should be friendly. We should not point out at others. And individually or the group, what is this group and all, don't do anything. You have no right to speak. You should have mingling nature with all. You should be friendly with all in all the matters. And here, never show your egoistic nature. Ego has no place here. Do not try to command others. Don't try to command others. You don't know anything. Just listen what I say. Like that you should not say in the group discussion. We don't have a right. Be a positive personality. In the sense, be positive in all the matters. Optimistic personality from your part is required. So, we should be optimistic always in this sense. And here, for your kind information, commanding others is said to be an offense. You should not command others. Be friendly in place of that. And here, some people have the habit of saying, by the time they are going to participate in group discussion, they say this type of lame causes. Lame, L-A-M-E, lame causes. We cannot consider such things. What are they going to say? These are the drawbacks of such participants. These are also said to be don'ts. They should not have this type of qualities. First one, I thought of speaking, but the others did not allow me to speak. Above. You should not say like that. I thought of starting, but I could not start because the others not allowed me to start. What is this? It is not correct. Others are going to dominate, but I don't know how to dominate like that. That is the reason why I kept quiet. What is this? It is not correct. And some people have the habit of coming out of the topic and touching the personal things related to topic. That is not correct. That is not at all correct. Here, I thought of trying to speak, but I am not allowed to speak. Some people say this is one of the lame causes. Be an active person. Should have the subject. Then you can participate actively. You don't have subject. You don't know how to speak. Why are you going to blame others? It's not correct. Another thing is, I thought of speaking. By the time I am going to speak, what happened? Some others are interrupting me. What is this? That is not correct. Here, Sometimes you don't speak and then I want to. Here I just moved with my lip movement, but I did not speak out. That is called whispering. This type of nature is not allowed in group discussion. That's a minus point on the participant. And next, I already told you, never touch the personal things at any cost. Some people have the habit of fingering like this. Some people used to have just, you don't know, I'm going to say in such a way, they just thumb at what we call the desk and make a vigorous sound. This is improper behavior. This one should not have. And one should not have with angry mood and loud voice. Sometimes very loud voice. Very loud voice. That is not correct. And here, dominated character is not stated to be good. We should not dominate in the group discussion. We should be friendly with the people. This is a wonderful platform for us to prove ourselves. You think like that in such a way. Then you can become a good active participant. These are all going to be observed by the companies by the time you are going to have the discussion. Company people are going to observe you in all the matters. Then only finally you will be selected. If you do not have any drawbacks, automatically you will be selected. Because you are stick on to the topic and you are able to speak the topic perfectly along with others. And here, prove that you must be fit to the company and you will be able to serve the company in such a way, but not with the drawbacks. If you do not have drawbacks, automatically you will have the qualities related to do's. What are the qualities you need to have are do's. We already discussed in our previous episode. Please observe once more and please delete this type of what we call minus points from your mindset. Then definitely you will be a wonderful participant in group discussion and definitely you will be able to get succeeded. Utilize this is a wonderful opportunity for you like that you think. This is a great opportunity for me to participate in group discussion. Think like that. Then automatically you will be a good participant and you can prove yourselves. Okay. These are all related to what we call don'ts. And my suggestion, what I gave you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you. Have a great time.